Ringphawon da aju khamataya pawping Ukhrul Jal Shakti Abhiyan Kushogazang Central Team na ungyang haira Ukhrul District Li Bank Chungmai Shokhwai MLA Muiwana po haira Kanjute Khangarewa Debe Chandra Meitei Odisha Football Club Wiwang Ngriauki da leidalai Lekhyang Tor achu the Tangkhul Express we pau Ringphawon Zimik in a pamindalai pau bing mai sai na nganang rumsa Ukhruli Jal Shakti Abhiyan we Kushogazang Aya Central Team na inspection unghaira Minister of Labor and Employment we Director Manoj Kumar Gupta kala Scientist C and TO 35A PK Dorle na Ukhrul Mini Secretariat Complex li ungda Ukhrul we Additional DC Chunglen Mang Kipchin we Office Chamber le atumna khangasan khuikaya Rani Jili kahang Jal Shakti hina Amrit Sarovar thada tirramashiman khangasak khavang kukhili rina kala Jal Jivan hina shimle tab sangkhamile rina kha khanini juwi kharin ngarai chai kaja tirra samphang sakhawai na da hang Rani Jili Jal Shakti Abhiyan we tukui catch the rain when it falls kaja zingrod Tada Lailakha Maya Khilo Kachi Amrit Sarovar Mission we Azing Face Karesa da Rukhong Hangshini the Panga Konra Chi Kachai Tenem Humbung Halang Kala Ram Katela Zangda Semki Kachina the Hang Rukhong Gokon Chi RCCI na Maningla Ngalemang Chira the Hang Hangda Klehi Tiru Kavang Kui Kawai Mina Mang Kawai Kata Shikai Pingwang La Luili Tiravashung Sakawai we Wangna Kala Urumushiman Kavaina the Hanga. Jigata Rukong Trada Panga Semgahai Ajiwi Pay Tarik Trada Pangatang Tarkat Kahara the Ladele. Rukong Kokon Project MGNRGS Li Murumda Ramnau Pingwe Ot Kasazang the Semki Kuchina the Hanga. Kazipji Kup Ngashida Atumna DRDA we rainwater harvesting la Yang Sanghairo. Sender Shorkar we Mipingji Halang we project Sem the Clay Lila Vayangda Manoj Kumar Gupta na
So this is the one of the Amrit Sarovar that is being created by the district administration. So this will be the the one of the 75 Amrit Sarovars that will be created as a during the 75 years of the independence that we are celebrating. Actually, basic objective of this Sarovar is that this will be helpful for the people to recharge the underground water and also to irrigate the surrounding areas of the farmings. So in the hills, during the rain you have the plenty of the waters, but during the off season you have less water, availability of the water is less. So this basic objective of this Amrit Sarovar will be that this will facilitate the availability of the water throughout the year. Thank you.
Halangwi project Singada Clay Apomje Halang Posai Trung da Zatkasa Langyi Koho Ngayina Kala Juwi Tiru Katang Mangava Mana the Hanga Juwe Asan Midar Tinka Shika Sang Nasak Laga Matalak Aina Semhaura Kala Shorgarna Matalak Aina Yangsang Miaka Regasang Mang Manila Teru Wipong Lila Matashun Haura da Halang Atotang Development Committee we Chairman VS Shama Vashana Hanga Kala Oje Ajagum Hopo Kahaina da Ram Jui Pere Now Ping Hanga
Itum Ajagum Sagapokni Tum Bokri Hijui Laka Alung Lila Tang Laka Malay Lila Tang Quat Laka Kushok Jenny Hilly Kre Gum Hilung Guja I do any Kung Laka Lungu Pon Laka Yang retaining or Sa that it has a summer money. Itum now the Tata government rain, he knew some luck in the Saka government, the Hong Johnson luck the day to New Sang Lagina, he had luck in the Sata Clinic.
Officials Pingjina Ukhrul Water Supply Lila visit Vasada, Terra Quick Vipum, Terra Filter Kasa, Hikatahi, Young, Kala Forest Office Lila Vayang Hira, Atom LM Block Wagla, Tara the Laidale. Ukhrul District Li Bank branches Chungmaida Kusho Darga Sahaira the Ukhrul MLA Rammuivana State Bank of India Le Kapivada Chui Chief General Manager RS Rameshna Ngahankaka Mihaira MLA Rammuivana SBI Chairman Dinesh Kumar Karali May Karam Guchang Tarik Magada Akathang Kapi Khawali Kahang iyurwi minganing akasada ukrul district wi angret yangwada theigu khuili bank branches chungmei khuira kapai apong kala kan khana leida lei kichi hi hang muiwana kapi khawali gzang ukrul police bazar le SBI branch akhadar ka sahaira kaja ukrul wi SBI branch akhamang chi mini secretary le leida main ukrul town wi aina manganai mana town wi machine thing hangmati ka da khlena kichi hi hang National Highway 202 Imphal East District Yangang Pokpi Lila Bank Branch High Committee ka sahira kaja Yangang Pokpi hi commercial town sada Chili District Mati Imphal East Ukrul Kamjong kala Kang Pokpi Rangasung da khlena kha jikatha apam Chili Bank Branch akhalama leida leimana da hang Senaga Lila Bank Branch akadar ka sai kaja police station sub deputy collector we headquarter ngasaya kala senaga khu aina ring anai we mi machine thing thara ka da leida lei kuji hi hang muiwa we chithi chili ramwa aina litan lila bank branch akho showing a ya kuji hi changa SBI hiwa ukruli aming chatlak ka hai kala yarina shitkasang bank akhana kuji hila muiwa na hangsanga MLA Muivana SBI le kapi khawa chili kahang Ukrul District le National Highway 202 aina 102A ungkana kala chiwi double laning la lupa crore thingkuthum shikhawe aman aina chatale Ukrul District aina ngalem district kamjong hi Indo Myanmar border le leida border lenganong to somra belong to ongye kala namli lila chatale la apam pingchili Indi Grey checkpost semra gachila propose saka haina da kapisanga RS Ramesh na muivali kapi khung le kahang SBI na annual branch expansion plan for FY 2022 to 23 we azingli Yangang Pokpili branch aka shomi sada propose sahaira kala muiva na hangkahai apam kate mati Ukrul police bazar senakathei ramwa aina litanle Shokhawai Bank China survey chatlaga commercial ungtaraka mungtarakala kachi yangfara chiwe athishuda twitak tara da hang Manipur wi country thei khangareu Dene Chandra Maiteli Odisha Football Club na hosang haira defender khangarewa Dene Chandra Maitena Odisha Football Club le chingum akhawiwang shwaisa ka haina awi Arriva ahi Kerala Blasters le chingum kuthumiwang leida 2024 kumle shoknaura Odisha Football Club na Dene Chandra Maiteli Lone Indian Super League wiwang khuisaki kachina da hang chingum mukada chishat Dene Chandra Maite hi clubs tara khali jangda I League aina ISL le ngarew haura Kala under 23 India we team lila jangda Bangladesh li kharum ngahan lila wajang haira Dene Chandra na Buni Football Club Academy li changkasa atam lila U19 I League title khanishida khui samphanga Dene Chandra hi defense mathalak da left back ngarew chia Kala defensive midfield position la mathalak aina khimi shapada OFC back line li ragajang hi team chiwiwang kaphang sara da Odisha Football Club na hang
HIV basi lambi mari khakta da miyo yamadagi amada sindui
HIV positive oiba mama mapadagi machada
sakhang da miyo singa kondom yaudana yuman mari thamba matamda HIV sandui
mi amaga yatum siren waiduna sizinabada HIV sandoi
ana layeng da ikap matamda HIV test to da ikap labadi HIV sandui
Chang naina amadi niyom chumna kondom sizinabana HIV dagi ngakthokpon
Sexual transmitted infection STI
haibadi pinungi laina dagi sunga thokpongami
aduga angang pamdrabadi kondom sijinabiyo
HIV haiba virus asina mipung khudimagta sokhali
masigi namkhai leite chahi laining kanglup natraga nupa nupi angang khaidi
masina mi amadagi amada mathang sandopangam
aina domu singnari HIV test tongna bagidama aina domu singnari kondom sijina bagidama
aina dombu singnari nasabu HIV dai kanjanaba HIV AIDS ki maramda hena kupa morong khangnabagi damak
It's toll free number 1097 da phone tobi
English Hindi natraga Manipuri da wari saba yagani
nako AIDS app su download tobiu amadi sijina view
Ukrul town le kari akhana mi takzu hailaga mangasamla chathui ka hai ochok da FIR tha sanghaira ochok ji aja hom tarik phanga thangathor pung thara ta na naile DC office ngalem hamle khongle ka shokna kari na tak kasang ji CCTV footage le nam khui hai sada chui video la samphanga video chili thei ku khui kari ji hotla muchu bolero na kari wi number wa shengda mayang khui ramana hangda khle hi ngshun hai mi kate wi miktali ka shokna kala ningai malak aina chili chat ka sa akha khani na ocho chili phat phat yang sang khami mathai mana maram hi ukrul times na ngathing gu khui attitude karina saga ji singum thrada phanga mayer now so ma hai chotang go ho patkai christian academy le class 10 tamda khlai now na kala ma hai lak aina chakshida masa chamana awi phaile sajada khama shimling ha da leida hang paujina ka hang ochotwe amoji missions ko ho kashak kaza dukan akhawi cctv camera le namkhui hai kasana lakhawak sajag haya nauchi worshimwang awishim kruling soda ajin nagaland le wa haura da ukrul times wi paujina hang khayona jili thakda tukhui hauranu jikatha yangkhara kari kathau nauping yari wiwang klashi ka bai ngasaya da nauchiwi awawuna paumi jili hang ochot chiwiwang shimkhurjina ukrul police le ayang thor fir thasang hairo kari gala thaujat ka sami paji phakui khawai police na ningchang aina hotna da lei kha ayang jin aina tangda kari ji kala kari thau ka sa mi ji mamuchut khuiranga NDA presidential candidate Draupadi Murmu wi campaign northeastern states le ungshong haira Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways Sarbananda Sonowal kala senior BJP leaders le ngosoda Murmuna aya Arunachal Pradesh Meghalaya kala Nagaland ni campaign wa haira India ngale wichu makeup kache constitutional ngapham ngapai ki kache tribal shinau khare Draupadi Murmu achahon Tripura aina Manipur unglaga chithangaya Assam le walaga chiwe aina Shillong ka kana Murmuna Northeast States le khungji Chief Ministers Kuchung Gaja kala Senior Ministers pingna airports le wangrokhuya Northeastern States pingwe Ministers MLAs kala MPs pingli kharjan ungsada Murmuna kakatom ungpo haira Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh na Murmuna wira kuchi shitkasang phongshoka Presidential election wiwang khangaran kasa maramle BJP na kathan sarkar we MLAs kala Lok Sabha ina Rajya Sabha we MPs pingle khangasan samphanghay raw kala Draupadi Murmu ji na Rakhrai India we President ngasara kuchi hi shitsanga da singna tweet saya Murmu li kakatom Phongshok da Meghalaya Chief Minister NPP President Conrad K. Sangmana Kapi Kushok Meghalaya na NDA with presidential candidate Draupadi Murmu ji le kotom dale Tribal community akasada India with Karemi Pok Tribal Shinau na ngale with President Saki Kuchijule kakotom hi mai khaya akhana da Conrad Sangmana hanga MGNRGA with ot kasana uping na otpom le walaka Mawalak makhala kachi thekhui khawai National Mobile Monitoring Software NMMS app kala Mission Amrit Sorover implement kasa maramle Rural Development and Banjayati Raj RT and PR Minister Yumnam Khemchan Singh na thanda RT and PR kala DRDA with officers ping nasan haira kazib chile RD and PR Commissioners Devesh Daval kala Joint Secretary NG Robin Singh Lajanga Gazib ji Bishnupur DC office with conference hall Likwikaya Zila Parishad members RK Dayanand CEO ZP Bishnupur District Program Coordinator MG NRGA H Pobi Sharma ADC Project Director DRDA BDO Sping RD and PR DRDA with Otkasana Pingla Gazib Jiliwazanga Bishnupur District officials Pingchina Kahang Mission Amrit Sorover Azingle Water Bodies Thrada Phanga Blocks Katum Nambul Bishnupur Kala Moirangle Phangarip Semi Khawai Koso Haidlai Bishnupur District le NMMS app la Simpokhaira da hanga Minister Khemchan na Khamutwili schemes pingche mathada Singka Khawai kala atam chada Kupngasap lungra kachi hanga MJ NRG we ot kasale Rasa ka masa makhala NMMS app chi chichinda yangu khidar ka salak haira da Minister Khemchan na hanga Ministerial team china MG NRG we ot sada khalai pingla wayanga MJNRJ we azingle topul mamang lekai semdakle ngarephung ngaikhong khulan bazar le semdakle puka train construction kaino GB Community Hall Club Market Street semdakle chila yumnam Khemchan Singh aina awi team na wayang sanga Mission Amrit Sarovar hi now the Wivang Ter Khawang Mi Khawai the Prime Minister na Ajukum Khaying Changle Hapok Kamina Mission Amrit Sarovar we Azingli Uru Rukhong Khon Kukhi La Uru Wok Nasak Lushit Ki Guchi Hikatatha Otsin Kwikaya LPG cylinder aman kada khalejili Congress na momya khangai phongshok da Modi Sarkar we otsakji anti people na the Congress na mutu khui haira Congress spokesperson Ragini Nayak na kahang Congress na kathan UPA Sarkar atam liwa domestic LPG we aman lupa shamati hang phanga we alungli leisai Modi na phaisin kasa Ache din kapha atam khiramira kajiji kaliwa haukhala da nayak na khanghan sai 2014 general elections atamle Otman kaka hi Narendra Modi na khamata ya maram sada phaisin laga tuiwao ache din da ngawao ka haiji kali lekhala ache din jiwa Modi wing sot naw ping wang mangla da Ragini nayak na khanghan sai Congress spokesperson China kahang Otman kada khlele Makhamya Chitheda Party China Ajuwe aina nationwide protest la hapokara Congress Deputy Leader Gaurav Gogoi na tweet li kakapi Prime Minister Modi na India we lansin masing kathele hina kachamnaw kala middle class Indians pingle sacha makeup talai Modi we ache tin hi business kuzoka pingwi wang mangmana da Gogoi na kapishoka
Hoziki matamda mipum khodimak na hainari Stay home, stay safe. Wahai se magun dilay. Adubu wahai da magun layragata yabasu natte. Oiba yai yumadu da magun layrabade. Mamangay dadi yumse yum khakta oirame. Hozikti office, spa, salon, restaurant, supermarket, manamasingi kaitel. Angang singi school amadi football field pumnamak yum ngaktani hojikti yum danatana hairiba pumnamak sing sisu samely aduna yumbu yam section na sabiyu make cement ga loinana make cement take laroi da yum tatlaroi da mari
Dr. Helena Eye Care Center opposite Raj Medicity, North AOC, Imphal. Dr. Helena Eye Care Center Li surgery, prosthetic eye, contact lenses, artificial eye testing, frames, different fibers, glasses, hikatatha sapaira. Visiting hours na summerly Monday to Saturday 8 AM to 4 PM. Sunday li na 8 AM to 12 noon na. Appointment Vivang 977-406-5535 li call Sami Pai.
India we apam ngatei tei dali kashagaza hangkhawai qualified petroleum gas LPG aman lupa hang phangaga da matai ka haira aman kakachi state run firms kachung kachana gas han we aman ka hai wangna New Delhi li LPG 14.2 kg cylinder han khale lupa thingkha hang phangada kuthum ka haira lakhawak commercial LPG liva aman switami da 19 kg cylinder li lupa 206.50 switami ka haina LPG aman hi local khashina ka perkala phungung phungwa kasa man changlaga apam athishura teo mamai ngateng roka 14.2 kg cylinder we aman hi Kolkata le lupa 1079 Mumbai le 1052.50 kala Chennai le 1068.50 aina leya state run LPG supplier pingna commercial proposes 19 kg cylinder we aman ajwi ka changle khanishida switami haira commercial cylinders chikha ithumi shimli shigajin cylinder le ka hakhamai hotels restaurant kala industrial odd wiwang shigajina LPG cylinder le ka hangna shimli shigajin LPG amanwa Kalaga commercial LBJ Amanwa Switamida Kalehi, Kiwivankala the Kangahanli, Petroleum Ministry, Indian Oil Corporation, IOC, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Kala Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited na Matada Mangahan Kamitua. 15 Finance Commission with recommendation Athishuda Department of Expenditure Finance Ministry na Aya Post Devolution Revenue Deficit BDRD grant with monthly installment committee Mishokhaira. BDRD grant ji lupa 7,183.42 crore state Tharada Matili Mikushokna. 2022 to 2023 BDRD grant Mikhavai state with Aming Shok Haile, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tripura, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Kala, Kerala, Hiping Hizanga. Assam Rifles aina Manipur Police na aya achontang militants kuthumli tukhui haira. UNI wi pau na kahang Kakching District, Soknu Bazar le Pripak wi mi akha aya tukhui da Soknu Police Station ni misang haira. Kala Shok thangla Imphal East District le Assam Rifles aina Manipur Police na MNPF wi Self-Style Defense Secretary le tukhui da hanga. Mipaji Lamlai Police Station ni misang hawa. Shok thang Pishnipur District lila Pripak PRO wi mi Assam Rifles aina Manipur Police na tukhuya da pauchi na hanga. Mipaji na group chi wiwang ayen kakai ot sasaya da hanga. Maram hortak kahai mahang mana Mipaji le Porambat Police Station ni misang hawa. COVID vaccine aritos kagatumba kaja booster kap khawai kachang chiko ngarai ngasak kasaje ara kachang thurukmang aina haimi haira. COVID aritos kagatuma wiwang dos kakhane khui ka hai pingna kachang chiko shan laga kap kasana kha sender na aya chishat khamya thishuda dos kagatuma ji dos kakhane wi aina kachang thuruk shan laga kapaira Union Health Minister na kahang zingum thrada chishat aina hang phanga da chiko alungli khlai pingna dos kakhane khui laga kachang thuruk maninga kha hapta magada thuruk wi thili dos kagatuma kapaira Maramji National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization we Standing Technical Subcommittee na recommend kasa athishuda khangajena da hanga Latdushida achui khamata ya pauping Ukhrul Jal Shakti Abhiyan Kushogazang Central Team na ungyang haira Ukhrul District Li Bank Chungmai Shokhwai MLA Muiwana Po haira Kanjute Kangarewa Debe Chandra Meitei Odisha Football Club Wibang Ngariauki Leidale. Achi Pao Henang Changhai Pao Nganadak Lay Natum Psycho Relay Ringapa Kala Kamahaya Zimik Show Saserna.